Hey everybody, it's Mary. Welcome back to the kitchen. I'm going to give you a little hack that I use whenever I'm trying to get my youngest son to eat basically Chinese food. He's very picky at times, and this is something that he'll eat. The rest of the family got really good food tonight from takeout, but I had to get my youngest just some steamed white rice. Okay. Now, he will eat it like this, but not great. So the way I have found to get him to eat this is I'm going to put I have about half of it poured into a cup. Okay. I have some garlic salt. I'm going to open it up and sprinkle, I don't know, depending on your taste, 1/4 teaspoon to a 1/2 teaspoon of just garlic salt on there. And then I have some sesame oil. Probably a 1/4 to a 1/2 teaspoon again. Okay, this doesn't have a lot of color. That was about a 1/4. So I'll pour about that much again. And folks, this is what a picky child will have for dinner. It may work with yours. This is just a simple rice with garlic salt and sesame oil. So maybe your picky eater will like a garlic sesame rice. I know mine does. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on that next video.